Ready to unlock the hidden potential of your WordPress site and understand your audience better? First things first, head over to Google Analytics and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. If you already do, you can just log in, then create a new property for your WordPress website. You'll be asked for some basic information like website name and URL. Inside your Google Analytics property, navigate to the admin section, usually a gear icon under property, find data streams and click on your website. Take note of your measurement ID, often starting with G. You'll need this later. Now jump over to Google Tag Manager and create a new account. This is where the magic happens. It helps manage and deploy marketing and analytics tags on your website just like Google Analytics. Sign in or create your account if one is needed. GTM will ask you for a container setup, so enter your website's URL and select web as the target platform. Next, you'll be presented with two snippets of code. The first goes inside the head section of your website, and the second snippet goes inside the body section. Backing your WordPress dashboard, search for and install a plugin that supports header and footer code insertion. Common choices include insert headers and footers or WP code. In the plugin settings, you'll find where you can insert the specific code snippets. Paste the first code snippet from Tag Manager into the head section and the second snippet into the body section of your WordPress site. Save your changes. Now, return to Google Tag Manager. Under Tags, click New to create a new tag. Choose Google Analytics GA for configuration. As the tag type, paste your Google Analytics measurement ID into the field. Next, configure the triggering for this tag. Select all pages from the available options. This ensures the tag fires or is active on all pages of your website, allowing you to track all your users. Finally, save your tag and submit your changes in Google Tag Manager. Just click Submit in the top right corner and name your version. Give it a few minutes for the data to integrate. Then check your Google Analytics Realtime report. If everything's working correctly, you should see active users on your site. You've successfully set up Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager in WordPress.